my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a day in the life of an AET. So right now I'm at the bus stop. I am waiting on my bus, which takes about 10 minutes to reach to my school. And yeah, so my journey in total is about 20 minutes. I am not allowed to record my school, but I'm gonna just show you guys a picture of what a typical junior high school looks like in Japan, specifically in the Kanagawa area, because I know that different prefectures, which are like states or parishes, have different rules and different ways of doing things. So I'm gonna show you that picture in a bit, but right here I'm inside of the school and I have to change my outside shoes to my inside shoes. So in Japan we can't wear our outside shoes inside. Ironically, my outside shoes is actually cleaner than my inside shoes, but that's a whole different story. So I have a locker where I put my shoes, but I can't show you guys that locker either because it has the names of people who are employed to the school and I can't show you guys that. The first thing that I do when I arrive at school, I wash my hands, put on my bag, and then I just take a seat at my desk and look at my schedule. So as you can see, the paper in my hand is actually my schedule for the week. I usually get my schedule for the coming week or the month, depending on how far ahead the teachers can plan. After that, I record my temperature. So I have to send my temperature to my workplace, which is Interact, and I also have to record on a sheet of paper my temperature for my school. So whenever I have free time, I would just plan my upcoming lessons. I like to write down my lessons in my notebook, as you can see, first before I actually go to the computer. So I use a shared computer. I am a junior high school AET, and these are the 3 books that I use. So this is for first graders, which is 7th graders. This is 2nd graders, which is 8th graders, and also 3rd graders book, which is 9th grade. So in Japan we have junior high school separated from high school. So junior high school is from 7th grade to 9th grade. I also use these books, which help me with my lesson planning. Right now I'm just going through checking to see if there's anything that I need to shed, because I don't like to have a lot of paper on my desk. And these are some songs that I used in my special needs class, because I like to, you know, have the students sing. So there's the English and Japanese version on the paper, but I no longer need those, so I'm gonna just share them. Whenever I'm going to a class, I usually carry my, what should I say, my pencil case. Yeah, so in that pouch I keep my chalk, because I use blackboard at work. I keep my pencils, my pens, my markers, and my stamps. So whenever I give like worksheets, I usually stamp them with those stamps. Yeah, I have just some random stuff in my pencil case. Yeah, so things that I usually use in class. If they can hold in it, I'll put it in it. I also walk with my notebook so that I can know what to teach, because I like to, you know, plan my lessons. I know, okay, this is step 1, step 2, step 3. And I also carry like handouts. So if I need to give students handouts, this is where I would carry them as well. yeah, and just go to class. But when I recorded this video, it was actually the last week of school, literally the last week of school. So I only had like 2 classes for that entire week, and I was actually preparing to leave that school. So unfortunately, I am no longer at that school. Very sad. I'm very sad, and so is the school, because unfortunately my company have this rule where I can't be at one school for more than 3 years, and this year will make it 3 years, so I have to move to another school. So I didn't get to record as much as I wanted to, but I'm thinking maybe if you guys are interested, then I can do a part 2 to this video. So I have to clean my desk and clear out everything that I carried or everything that I bought while at that school, so that the new LT will not have to throw away anything that I left behind. Where I sit, to my right is a microwave, to the left is a printer, a refrigerator, and behind me is a shredder. There's also a door behind me to the left. So my seat is not the most convenient, but it's also to the back, which I love, because like I can do my own thing without people passing by and seeing what I'm doing and stuff like that. Even though it's still in the open, but it's not like at the front, you know, in the center of everything. So I'm just wiping down stuff, putting away things that I need to carry with me. I found 1,000 yen and 1,000 Jamaican dollars in my desk. So this is actually what I use for my self-introduction. So whenever new kids come into the school, I usually just show them what a Jamaican currency or Jamaican $1,000 look like. And this is just a close-up of my desk, you know, very messy, very untidy, because like I said, I'm clearing out, trying to make it look presentable for the new LT. The LT before me, he left a note with just some general information about the school and my desk, because there are a lot of different stuff in the desk that I sit at. So he just wanted me to, you know, have an idea of what I'm getting myself into. So I still have those 2 sheets of paper that he gave me, which I'm gonna leave for the new LT, and I'm also going to write something for the new LT so that they can, you know, have a smooth transition. Most of the elementary and junior high schools in Yokohama, they look like this building, just a cream white looking building. This is the closest image I could find. Also want to note that at my school, almost every classroom has a flat screen TV. Anyways guys, this is who I'm gonna leave you for today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you want to see a part 2, also let me know in the comment section. Anyways guys, thanks for watching and goodbye.